Hey everybody, today we have this board for repair, this B660 from Gigabyte. This board is not turning on and I already did some measurements before we power on the board. Let me show you. This is our EC chip, which is IT5701E-128 BXA version. So if we measure our caps over here, you can see 33 ohms. Same here, here also, and here also. So how do I know this, that we have low resistance? Because I have another board with the same EC chip. Let me show you. This one is Z790 UD from Gigabyte as well. If we're gonna measure our EC chip, which is the same, you can see it here, which is the same 5701E-128 BXA version. So if we measure caps over here, 214 ohms. Same goes here, here as well, here also, here also. So long story short, we have to replace our EC chip, but before we confirm this, I have to show you like how the board behaves, like when we plug it to our power supply. So if you switch on our power supply, as you can see, 450 milliamps power consumption, and if we go under the thermal camera, you can see clearly we have heat spot on the EC chip itself. You can see it well, like this, yeah. It's heating up right now 100 degrees, so which is a lot. So we have to replace our EC chip and see what happens. Let's proceed with the replacement. Right, good news. The EC chip has been replaced. We can measure again to see the difference. 223 ohms. Same goes here. $150. Perfect. Okay, right now we can power on the board. As you can see, 110 milliamps power consumption, which is normal. You can also check thermal camera. Right now it's a big difference, so we have 24 degrees Celsius. On this board we have Core i5-13400F CPU, which doesn't have any integrated graphics, which means if we connect our HDMI cable to this board, we're not gonna see any image, but it's not a problem. We can use our initializing tester. Let's put it back. Now we can power on our board and see what happens. Okay, board is running. And good news, the board is initialized. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna put back everything together in the PC build and test it once again to confirm if we have an image and if it's booting to the operating system. Alright, so the board is already prepared. As you can see, we have now our board. Everything is back assembled together. Very nice. Board is starting. So, do we see an image? Yes, we do. As you can see, B660, DS3H, AX, DDR4. I also had to replace the power supply unit because the original was faulty as well, and right now we have here Hydro K 750 watts from Fortron. The original one was NZXT C750. Right now is one thing to do to inform the customer, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and hopefully see you soon. Bye bye.